How many times a day do you leave likes on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms? The answer is probably a lot. That's why in this video today I'll show you a website that will actually pay you for doing so. Just like people from all around the world are doing and getting paid in PayPal money. In order to learn how to make it work properly, you just need to keep watching till the end of this video because I'll also show you a bonus platform to maximize your earnings. But just before we start, as always, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have any question or opinion, just leave a comment down below. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And the very first platform that I want to show you is this one here, but first of all I want to show you Payment Pro. So you can see that this platform actually works and it's getting people paid again and again through PayPal. You're going to see that they are making like a couple of dollars just here and there, but also this is like a best way to get some extra income because all you need to do is to just like a YouTube video or a Facebook post and so on and so forth. So it depends also on you on how much time and effort you are going to put on this. If you scroll down, you're going to see something else that this website has like more than 75 pages of payment proofs. So this shows that this platform is actually legit and is going to get you paid. The website in question is called Likes Planet, and this is over at likesplanet.com. You're going to get high quality likes from the whole planet if you want to, or you can come over here in order to do those likes. And all you need to do is to just sign up for absolutely free, like and view pages, then you can cash out, or you can use those points in order to get likes from other people. So if you have a page, you can come over here and you can get some likes. So you're going to see that you can also get paid in per referral, so you can get 50% of commissions of when you refer friends over here, so you can make money in passive income. What you need to do is to click on the register button up here, and in the next page you're going to put a username, an email address, repeat the email, put a password, repeat the password. Then you can leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. Put the captcha number in the box here and click on the register button. After that you're going to get an activation email, so just check your inbox and you can activate your email address, and then you'll be able to log into your bank account. And once you do so, this is how it's going to look like. Here you're going to see your points, and I have like 61 points for the moment. You're going to see also their referral system. You can earn 50% points of your referrals plus 100% points for active referral. So you can make money by referring people over here. So if you want to check the payment proofs by yourself, you can just scroll down till the end and you have payment proof section over here. So in order to get started with Likes Planet, so you can give those likes and just get paid again and again, is to go over to earn points / money, because of course you're going to earn points and then you can redeem those points for money and get paid through PayPal. And you have here Facebook likes, you have like YouTube likes, dislikes. You can also subscribe to some channels or to watch some videos in order to get paid. You have Instagram likes and to follow people on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of things that you can do over here in order to get points. You also have like 200 daily bonus, so you can get like daily bonus if you log in every day. So if you want to just like a YouTube video, for example, go over to YouTube and select the video likes, and it's going to take you over to this page over here. You just need to click on the like button, which is under each of the videos, and it's going to take you over to the YouTube video. After that, you're just going to give it a like here. You're going to close this window, and then you're going to go back over here and you're going to see your points accumulated. And you can do the same thing with all of those videos. So once again, it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this. And once you wanted to just cash out, you need to go over to the cash out section here, and then if you scroll down, you're going to see the amount that you want to cash out, and then you're going to put your payment address, and you're going to get paid through PayPal. So you need to put your PayPal email address, and you're going to see that you need to reach like a minimum of $2 in order to be able to cash out, and you're going to get paid in 1 to 10 days, and then you're going to click on request cash out, so you're going to get paid directly to your PayPal account. So this was the first platform that I wanted to show you over at Likes Planet. It's absolutely free, and as you saw, it works for people from all around the world. It's very easy, something that we do on a daily basis actually, because we like some social media posts every day, and in this time you're going to get paid for doing so. So of course, it depends once again on how much time you want to put on this. This was the first platform that I wanted to show you, and also the most important one, but also I have a bonus, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, that I want to show you. This is like a bonus platform. This is over at Zoombox, and this is called Zoombox, and it's over at zoombox.com. You're going to earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, doing offers, as it says right here. So it's different to the first one, but I wanted to give you in order to just maximize your results. If you scroll down, you're going to see more how it works. So advertisers want engagement for their surveys, products and services, and they come over to this platform, and then this platform find members that are willing to get paid for completing those actions. And you're going to do some online actions like completing surveys, offers, watching videos, and you're going to get paid with cash and gift cards. As you see over here, you have a lot of gift cards, but if you click see all rewards, you're going to see that they also offer PayPal over here. So you're going to see also live feed of payment proofs that are people that are getting paid again and again with this platform. All you need to do in order to get started with Zoombox is to just put an email address, a password, then confirm the password and click on the sign up button. Then if you want to, you can just click here on sign up with Facebook or sign up with a Google account, because it is a lot faster and a lot easier, because it requires just one click of a button. So if you scroll down, you're going to see also the reviews over at Trustpilot. They have like almost 400 reviews on Trustpilot. They are not a lot, but still, if you click on it, you can see what people have to say about Zoombox, and they have like excellent reviews with 4.8 stars, which is pretty good actually, and this means that 86% of the people have rated it as excellent. So you can give it a try. This is over at zoombox.com. Once again, you can just create an account for absolutely free, and you can get paid by just doing some online actions or activities that we mentioned before, like completing surveys, offers, and watching TV. You're going to see more of them once you create your account for absolutely free. You can combine the two platforms that I showed you today, so you can earn even more money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.